Hi. It's been an interesting week. There's been a lot of pressure, and there's also been some breakthroughs. And I'm inviting you to join me tomorrow for a webinar on how you can use this pressure cooker, this pandemic, as an opportunity to break through to a next level. Now, I've set it up as an opportunity to handle difficulties, challenges, conflicts in your home, because we're all sheltering in home and it has created some problems. Extra people at home that haven't normally been there, creating pressure, more responsibilities, more people to interact with. Maybe you have children at home, maybe you have adult children at home, maybe you have your partner at home, and suddenly your house feels too small. But I want you to know that this is not going to be the usual kind of webinar on special tools or tips to make your relationship better. That's not the kind of person I am. I'm going to be sharing with you information that is going to be life-changing, because I believe that this pandemic, that I believe that any kind of crisis that comes into our lives is an opportunity for us to transform, to learn about ourselves. Hi, thank you for joining. This is an opportunity to change your life. So that's what makes this webinar different from your average let's get your relationship working workshop. Why am I saying relationship? Because the relationships we have are fundamental to who we are. It is no accident that you have the partner or spouse that you have in your life, that you have the children that you have in your life, whether they're young or old. They are an opportunity. They are your teachers. They are going to help you to move to the next level. So the first thing you have to think about is, the first thing you need to change is blaming other people for your discomfort. Hi, thank you for joining. Please post a comment if you like what I'm saying, or even a like or a heart. Thank you for joining. So I'm Dr. Michelle Petticola. I am the founder and CEO of Secrets of Life and Death, which says something about how serious I am, how intense, how important my message is. I'm also the founder of Second Chance Secrets, which is the next step. How can you make use of whatever comes to you right now in this lifetime to hone your spirit, to step into your power, to change, to heal the old past, the stuff that's not working, so that you have a better life. You have more success, you have more love, you have what you are entitled to. But you are not entitled to it until you do the work. That's what my webinar is about, is how can you use this pressure cooker this time. And it's not just, hi Don, hi, nice to see you, thank you. It's not just about getting through this. I don't think there's any getting through this. It's been 6 months already. And this is a new reality. And how are we going to step up into it? You see what's going on out there in the world, out there in this country, all the riots, all the craziness with the police. That's because of the pressure cooker. That's because people haven't dealt with their early issues all the way up to the president. Early childhood trauma and the behavior that makes us behave the way we are. But you can start with you by coming to my webinar on Friday and finding out what's holding you back from being all that you are capable of being. And this is really near and dear to me. This is really important because I turned 70 this year. I'm starting to realize that I may not have that much time. And so living my purpose, conveying my message, impacting you out there is foremost. It is on the front line for me. How about you? The reality is we never know how much time we have left. And the world and our life situation is calling us to step up, to step into our power. Now, I don't know if you're on my Facebook, if you're a friend, but you may have seen a new post, a picture of me in black and white saying, I accept the challenge. And the challenge I'm accepting is to live full on and be the creator of my life. Thank you. To be the creator of my movie, my life story. Thank you. So I want to share that with you. I want to invite you to step up also, because I truly believe that if we all step into our power, if we all are empowered, particularly the women out there who have been holding back for so long, when we do that, we start to change the world. We can do that. The Dalai Lama said that the salvation of this world is in the hands of Western women. We have the luxury, we have the time, although we don't, sometimes it doesn't seem like it, and we have the power. But it has to start here. As, what's his name? I'm blanking. The Indian guy. You have to be the change that you want to see. Gandhi. Thank you. Gandhi. Thank you, mind. Sometimes it's a little slow. Are you ready to step into your power? Please join me tomorrow. It is going to be unlike any webinar you have been to. You're going to find out what's holding you back, and you're going to find out what you need to move forward. And I promise you, it'll be well worth your while. What else do I have to say? I want to save some of it for tomorrow. I want to have a dialogue with you. It's going to be a small group. I've only given this like 4 days to promote. So please join me. I will give you my full attention because you matter. You are essential. You get it? You're essential. And I am going to be there fully on sharing what I have to share. So what else? You have to register for this webinar. I'm sorry, there are a lot of crazy people out there on Zoom, and I want to protect you. So you register, you get your own private link, and you come in to the call tomorrow. And it's 10:30 a.m. I know it's early, but that's what I have chosen so that I can also invite all the people all over the world, if they want to join us, that it'll be a time that they can also join. And what else? Please come with your stories, with your challenges of stepping into your power, your challenges with relationships. Now, I know I said it as relationships in a family, but lately I've been getting some information. Hi, thank you for joining. I've been getting some information. What's your challenge in stepping into your power? I've been getting some information that some of the people that I know who don't have family at home are feeling that pressure too. They're feeling it in the reverse way. They're not having the contact they need, and it's starting to affect their behavior. I want you guys who are alone and are looking for somebody to be in your life to also show up, because it's all about relationships. We are human beings. We are social beings. We need connection with each other. It's essential to our sense of well-being, essential to our sense of peace. So go ahead, click the link, sign up. And if you want to know a little bit more about me, PhD, psychosomatics, psychotherapy, sociology, spirituality, it's all there. Show up, check out my website and read about what I do, what I offer. And then show up tomorrow. I think that's all I have for today. Just a quick invite Be brilliant, and bye for now.